Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. Guys, redmagic 10 series is just about to drop, and already, there's one standout feature that's turning heads: the mind-blowing display on the redmagic 10 Pro. Plus, this isn't your typical smartphone screen. Built with top-tier specifications, the display makes it clear that redmagic is aiming to set an entirely new benchmark. Let's break down what makes this display so impressive. First off, the redmagic 10 Pro Plus sports a 6.85-inch OLED display manufactured by boasting a remarkable 1.5K resolution. Gamers and smooth visual lovers will appreciate the ultra-fast 144Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth animations perfect for fast-paced gameplay. But here's where things get even more exciting. The display covers an incredible 95.3% of the phone's front, which means uninterrupted visuals with zero notches, cutouts, or display holes. Thanks to the under-display camera technology, you get a seamless view from edge to edge. To put that into perspective, consider the Galaxy S4 Ultra, which features an 89% screen-to-body ratio. Even last year's redmagic 9S Pro had a similar ratio. But with a staggering 95.3%, the redmagic 10 Pro Plus doesn't just keep pace. It's setting a new standard for maximizing display space. The bezels are practically invisible at only 1.25 mm all around, making them the thinnest on any smartphone, even surpassing those on other top flagships like the Oppo Find X8 and Xiaomi 15. Wondering how it'll hold up in bright lighting? This display is set to hit an astonishing 2,000 nits of peak brightness, ensuring superb visibility under any condition. But the redmagic 10 Pro Plus isn't just about visuals. It comes loaded with gaming-specific features, including an extremely high touch sampling rate for ultra-responsive controls, shoulder triggers for quick access, and an internal cooling fan to handle extended, intense gaming sessions without a hitch. Powering all this is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring that the phone has enough muscle to drive those stunning visuals with ease. And the wait is nearly over. The redmagic 10 series is set to launch on November 13th, so keep a lookout if you're excited about experiencing this display firsthand. The redmagic 10 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a true game-changer in mobile gaming. Be sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and catch all the updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.